Good evening from Dubai. We're here at the Skyview Observatory where we are going to head up to the top floor where apparently there's a glass slide. I'm a little bit nervous, but come on, let's go. He says it's really good and it's sort of sunset, so if we get in, we'll be rocking and rolling. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Come on then. So this is where the rich stay, for sure, look. You've got some rich people. But we're going with the paupers to the observatory. I've not seen a queue yet, but I have a feeling there's going to be one. Let's see. So this is our last night in Dubai. So we're going to hit here. We're going to go and have a look at the Burj Khalifa at night time. We're going to take it around the mall. We've got loads to see. But for now, we're going to do this Skyview Observatory. We were going to do it tomorrow, but we can't be bothered. Tomorrow, we're going to chill and then head off straight as soon as we have to check out up to Abu Dhabi. So make sure to follow along to see some Abu Dhabi. And you see my face? It's just changed colour. Nice shade of pink. So, well, I don't see a queue. So far, so good. We were worried that there'd be a queue. Hey, so far, so very, very good, Jack. We might be okay here. Let's have a look. Skyview straight on. So this is a hotel, obviously, but they keep the paupers this way. Oh, wow, look. Look at this, Jack. Told you this was a good idea.
Yes.
He said, no, we can't do it now. It'll be sunset. It'll be ridiculous. You watch, the reason it's bloody dead. I know the reason it's dead. It's because this is the expensive one, I bet you. I'm about to get scammed again in Dubai. All I've done is spend money, like literally the card has been boom, 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 boom. Food, taxes, you name it, you pay for it. At least in Egypt, you got hassled to death for money, but it was peanuts, you know? This is a completely different adventure for us. And we were thinking, we've been talking about bringing Mrs TravelON and Alfie here as a holiday. And then while we're doing nice things, we're going, oh yeah, they'll like that, Alfie like that. Then I'm thinking that's 4 people. It's expensive for just 2. Anyway, we're rocking, come on. The coolest experience ever. I hope it's better than the frame, because that wasn't really that cool. Well, there you go. I'm actually impressed. No queue, 80 dirhams. I think that's the word they're all using. Dirhams, and that's about 33 quid. And we go down the slide, and it's sunset as well, which I thought might be busy. That's why Jack was sort of panicking and saying, Dad, you're wrong. But for once on this trip, I've actually been right, because I'm usually wrong, to be honest. Today we were sort of both wrong. We screwed up. If you haven't seen the jet ski video, we sort of both messed up. Photo taken, gift shop on the way out. And we're going, oh, security. I thought that was security. Oh, we've got to scan our ticket again. Here we go.
Okay, so once you go up, my colleagues will assist you.
Okay, perfect. We're on 53.
53, huh?
Oh.
You decide.
All right.
Let's go.
Which way? Ah, that way. Right, we're rocking. He's doing some whooshing. Ah, maybe this is a glass lift. Hey, it's only me and you.
Yeah.
This is a good decision.
Good decision.
This has been the best thing ever. No people. This is like a private, wow, at the sun setting.
Whoa.
Wow, look at this.
You want my ears popping?
Wow.
I think you've been here, haven't you?
Look at that. The sun setting just over there, look. That is incredible. Wow. Whoa. Now this is a view.
Jeez, where are you?
Mind you, the windows are a bit dirty. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you. My gosh. This is heaven. This is heaven. No people. This is my idea of the best thing that we've done. It's empty. It's Ramadan, so it's 6 o'clock. So it's just as they're allowed to eat. So it's perfect. If you're coming during Ramadan time, come here at 6 o'clock. And oh my days, wait till you see this. My ears have popped. You've got the photos there if you want to buy the photo. And then the views out here, look, are just breathtaking. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
We need to get to the side.
We got to take in these views first. Look at that for views. That is unbelievable. I don't know what that place is there with the swimming pool. Oh, I think that's the open mall where we're heading in a bit. Look down there. So we're heading there in a bit. That is the open mall. I keep calling it the open mall, don't I? The Dubai Mall. And we're heading there. And that's the Burj Khalifa. The tallest one there, look. This is super cool. Some stairs there, which I assume take you down to level 52, where the slide is. And look what's there as well. The toilets.
No.
No, for once I don't actually need a wee. But look at this. Let's show you all these views. I've got to take you window by window, literally. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Along here, look, with the sun. And I think the sun is setting on the other side. So let me just get over there and show you that. That's incredible. Look, even he's impressed with these views now. Much better than the frame, isn't it?
Yeah.
The frame had great views, don't get me wrong, but nothing like this. It's a shame I can't walk out there.
Oh, there is a glass area.
So this area here, look, just here, you can actually walk along there, like off a rope. You can actually like sidewalk. It was 390. She said, would you like to do that, sir? Absolutely not, thank you very much. I've just come off a jet ski. That was enough for me. Big comfy seats, look. So I don't think you can actually, well, I think you can walk on that glass floor, but it's closed. But look at this. I'm just in awe. So I think that's old Dubai over there. And just look at the buildings. It's just such a surreal place. I've never known anything like it. I actually don't know what I think of Dubai. I don't know whether I love it, like it. I certainly don't hate it. I don't know whether it worries me. The amount of money that's here. It's a very strange feeling. Can't quite put my finger on it. And you can sort of just see the sunset there, look. Just setting over Dubai. Look at that. We can't do that on the glass floor.
You can.
Oh, where? Oh, right.
This is it.
Oh, this isn't it, Jack says, and this is the skywalk. This is what she asked me to do. Would you like to do that, sir? Absolutely not. Would you have done that, Jack?
Yeah.
Why didn't you say yes? You could have done it.
I'm going by myself.
Would have made a good video. You ain't going with me, mate. I can tell you that now. And this is the slide down. Look, this is what I'm going to get into a bag in a bit and go down there. I bet I don't look as peaceful as her. This is what I love. Please queue here. Boom. No queue whatsoever, apart from there, look. And that's a very easy queue. Even I can deal with this. No, you would need to film me.
Oh.
So,
I wanted you to film me.
you can film yourself.
Okay.
Or shall I film me? Yeah, I think that's better. I film you, and yeah, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to film Jack going down, and then I am going to go down like this.
I'll still record my way down.
All right. Well, you won't. Oh, so peaceful, look. And in there is the guy with all the gear to do the walk around the side. 390, that is. 390. That's not bad, is it really? To do that, that's an experience and a half. I couldn't do it. There'd be no chance in the world. My legs would turn to jelly. So let me know in the comments, would you do the walk around the side hanging off by a piece of string? You've seen me on a bloody jet ski and a water slide at Siam Park. Do you really think I could do that? No, this isn't one of them channels where I, risk all. God. I'm worried about the slide, but we'll be all right. I can imagine in the summer this getting really busy, like mega busy. And annoying, because the reason is, and I'll tell you, as always, it's all about the selfies. The selfies. There's people taking pictures of themselves while the guy's trying to put them on a thing. There's people taking pictures of pictures while the guy's putting them on a thing. What I will do is I will get to the front and say, am I allowed to take the camera down with me? Yes, I am. Okay, I'll take it. If he says no, I'll give it to Jack. I'm going down. He can film it, then he can put it in his pocket, and he is going straight down. We won't hold up anybody's weight, and we won't annoy anybody. There's only like literally about 5 people. He's losing the rag already. Can you imagine if it was busy? People are just not prepared. It's like when you go to the supermarket and they've not got the card ready. They don't know how they're paying. Are they going to use a Nectar card? Are they going to use the points? Get yourself pissing organised before you get to the front, and then you're rocking and rolling, ain't you? We're ready. We know exactly what we're doing. I know exactly where I'm putting my bag. The lot. We're nearly there. We're next. I'm not allowed to take the camera through, so I'm going on first. Jack's going to film me. Then he's going to put this in his pocket and he's going to rock and roll down. I've got to give him everything. Quick selfie. I'm not taking anybody's time up. We're rocking and rolling. Here we go. He's on now. I'm on next. We're sorted. Right, Jack.
Cheers, sir.
Jesus. Oh, my back.
Sit back.
For you putting my feet in there. All right, I'm holding on for dear life. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh gosh. That's all right. Did you do it?
Yeah, of course.
I didn't really look, mate. I was too busy. It was just so fast, wasn't it? Oh look, you can get some food down here. So if you want some food, you're rocking and rolling. And that was it.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Didn't really get to see the view because you were more focused on...
I know, you don't really look, do you? You're more focused on just getting down the bottom. But it was good. Here we go, look. So you've got some lovely views here as well, just as good. Like I said, that there is the mall. That's the Burj Khalifa. Look, you can see all the way up to the top of it now. I'd love to know what all the buildings are. I'd love to know where all the bloody money's coming from as well. I could do with a little bit of it. What do you think? Could you live here? Is this somewhere you'd consider living? There's a lot of bricks here that have moved, but they all seem very annoying to me, as I keep saying. Any brick that I found living here just seems to be just a little bit like, oh, look at me, I live in Dubai. But you get that in Lanzarote as well. They think their poo don't stink just because they've moved abroad. Woohoo! That is just stunning though, isn't it? I don't know where the sunset is. Oh, it might be around here. So we're going to walk the glass walk now. So we're waiting patiently to get a little picture. People take so long getting... They take so long getting selfies, don't they?
I know, we're going to be 2 seconds.
2 seconds, literally. I would film it for you, but we're not. We're going to get a quick selfie. Here we go, look. Quick selfie. Boom. He's struggling here. Look at us. Look at us taking time taking a selfie. There's no one waiting. If there was, we'd be gone. There you go, look. Through there. Boom. Look at that. Let's go. We're going to go walk along the thing. I just want to show you one more view just before we go, because you've got to get your money's worth, haven't you? And I like all the... See how high the buildings are? All the flashing lights for the aeroplanes are on the top. And wait till you see, we're going down there, we're going to watch the fountain show, and you're going to see the Burj Khalifa all lit up. So here now I can show you the real sunset look over Dubai. What an amazing experience to get here at this time while it's been so quiet and peaceful. This has been the perfect opportunity for Mr TravelON, hasn't it? Look at that, you can see all the buildings. I don't know what building this one is, but it's absolutely breathtaking. And look at Dubai, all lit up now. If I can swing you around that way, look, it's an even better view. Wow. And look at the traffic as well. The traffic, it looks bad, but it's actually, it's busy, but it's not like ridiculous busy, look. And you can see that the motorways have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes. It's a big place and such a safe place as well, considering how many people are down there. No one says boo to a goose. And Jack's off. Look, he's off. Here we go. Oh my God, that is horrible. Oh my days. That is worse than the frame. I thought the frame was bad. Wow, look at that. Oh, that makes it feel weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Makes my toes stand on edge. Get out my shot a bit. Just walk ahead, Jack. So if you're walking a zigzag, look, you can really get a good walk. Look at that. What are we thinking, folks? Would you be screaming? It just feels weird to me. And imagine that glass cracked. My gosh, that would be shockingly bad, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, she's setting up a bloody selfie stick here, right in my way. Look at that. This should be banned. A bloody selfie stick in the middle of the thing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Setting up things. Oh, you can sit down on this one, look. I'm going to do it. There's no one here. I wouldn't do this if it was busy because it would just be selfish, but I am going to do it. And I'm going to do it bloody here. Right over the motorway. Yeah, this one. This guy did it here. I'm going to do it here. This has been the Sky View Observatory, Dubai. I hope to God this don't crack. If it does, I won't see you in the next one. If it doesn't, make sure to like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you in the bloody next one. Selfish.
Hello, welcome back. Thank you. Bye-bye.